Alright, so the day finally came. I received my Wi-Fi PineApple. I'm gonna show you the package. It is right here. As you can see, it's kind of small. It's not the biggest package I've ever seen. However, I'm gonna show its content late in this video, so let's get started with the video. Alright, so we're gonna talk about what I will do with the Wi-Fi PineApple, what the Wi-Fi PineApple is, and also gonna look at the package, and let's check out the content of it and let's talk about it. So the first bit here is that I ordered the Wi-Fi PineApple for $120 from the United States. I got lucky, no import tax, and that's really good. There is of course a limit. I think it's around, I don't know how much it is, but it's like around $109 US, so I guess I got lucky. The package was also quite a small, so not really, no big thing there. There are different kind of things, I didn't order. I didn't order a tactical case. I did not order a case mod, or LED module, or antenna pack, or the Wi-Fi adapter, or the actual, normal book. I got the ebook, but I did think about buying this tactical device, but I think for the purpose of this channel and the purpose of the Wi-Fi PineApple is that I'm gonna basically set that up, and I also have my own Wi-Fi router. So what this is gonna be is a concatenation of, as you remember, I did some, if you saw my videos, of course, Wi-Fi pen testing videos using the what is it called? The Aircrack NG suite, and I did that using my own Wi-Fi router, and I recorded different kind of videos with the half handshake attack and so on. Now the PineApple is enabling me to do lots of different kind of interesting, funny things. Everything is packed in one router. So the router itself is gonna come like this, and as you can see, I don't know, the images is getting any better, but as you can see in this image here, it is connected via the USB-C charger, as I read already, and there's also a way for you to put in a USB stick, which is this, I don't know exactly what it is, but it's a looks like it's something that can do 5 gigahertz as well. I'm not sure that I can do 5 gigahertz. I can always order this at another time. So I guess at a later stage, when I earned more money on my YouTube channel, I'm gonna, buy some of these extensions. Probably this one here for $80, and I'm not sure what that is. In all honesty, let's just, what is that? A handcrafted cyberpunk themed acrylic case. Oh, it's a case. It does say case. Also, there's a LED module. I think that is just for nerd effects, so I'm not really gonna spend too much time on that. These are omnidirectional performance, 2.4 gigahertz band, 3 dBi gain, and everything. Yeah, I see. So maybe not those. And kind of just missed this one there. I would really love to get the stickers and the tactical bag, whatever they call it, but Is that the case? Oh, it's a thing. It's a thing. You can put it in your... You can then walk around, and then I see. Yeah, that is... It could be interesting for me to do something like that at some point, but I think I'm gonna stick to... I need this still. So at some point in the future, when I earned enough money, I actually got my first payment from YouTube so far. And it was around, I think it was around $80 or something I got. And the money I earned from YouTube, all was used to pay bills. It's as boring as it gets. We have a crisis in the world because of the war. The prices are going up. The interest rates are going up, for loans. I actually looked at a new car today. I was like, whoa, the interest rate is like big. And I'm really happy that I already have a car, but I can only imagine that others that don't have a car, needs to buy a car now, really gonna, suffer the consequences of the war and the crisis and the inflation and everything is just really bananas. So as boring as it might sound, you know, I used the $80 on bills. So no fun story there. So so let's just casually scroll down the page and see what is we're going to get. Now we're gonna get something like this. You know, we will. This is a video. Maybe I should just. It's on YouTube. Beautiful. This is a video, and it's basically showing some sort of interface. I think it's the different kind of modes in the interface, stuff like, you know, what's it called, dark mode and white light mode, whatever they call that. I have no idea. It's very wide, as you can see, but so as you can see, everything is just set up for you, and it's surf checking at the what? And what you see here is probably previous clients. Everything is basically, you know, welded and molded together as a thing you just use, and that is the overall thing for you to do Wi-Fi hacking. It's going to be perfect for demonstration in the classroom and stuff, you know. And we see stuff like, you know, go ahead in the video here. It's going to be perfect in the classroom. Okay, so we changed to dark mode. Why did it do that? What? Networking was already. So let's see. Interface light and dark. Alright, there we have it. So this is actually the thing, and on the YouTube channel I have quite a lot of videos, which I'm gonna definitely watch some more of now, because now I really need to. Coconut. What? Wi-Fi coconut? I have no idea what that is. Let me just see. Coconut. What is that? That's a 14 channel Y packet sniff with all run radio. 14 channel. Whoa, really? So it can do. That's a wild thing, you know. Even more crazy, but you know, we're gonna stick to the pineapple. That's gonna be enough for us for now. And I guess basically this is concluding the content for the first part of the video. And also basically we're gonna talk about everything. There is payloads and way to sniff. I need to learn all these, so I really do not know much about this. We have a show here with a guy and a girl, and trust your technologies. Okay. Oh, we got hosted videos. Beautiful. So I really think this is gonna be great. Funky hair color, love it. He should definitely color his hair. Be like more Wi-Fi hacking. So we're gonna go back here to the Wi-Fi PineApple Mark 7, and this is the document area. It's a public website. You know, you can download the PDF file. It's a 28 megabyte PDF file, and basically gonna take you step by step through how to install it and everything. Also an UI overview with the PineApple campaigns, dashboard, instructions, recon, handshakes, module settings, and the cloud C2. Now I haven't really figured out what that was, but I'm not really sure what that is. What is this? Cloud C2 makes it easy for pen testers and IT security teams to deploy and manage fleets of Hak5 gear from simple cloud dashboards. So, a fleet of sleepy deepy doopy. Cloud is a self-hosted web-based command control suite for network Hak5 gear that lets you pen test from anywhere. Now, that's not really going to be anything for me to use. I'm more or less probably just going to sit here in my room and in my classroom, I guess. So that's going to be quite Wi-Fi basics, in that you can learn about Wi-Fi here, you know, radio and signals and stations and APs. You know, it's kind of a small step-by-step guide for you to learn what all this is all about. Now, all these things is something that I probably know most of, but I'm going to look through it all. It's an easy light read, you can see just a few lines here and there. Nothing crazy. Whoops. And yeah, so there are different kind of, you know, I watched the video, but when you install the Wi-Fi to PineApple the first time, there's something about the update of the firmware and so on. Now I haven't really done all that. Never ever did it before. This is just a brand new video. So I guess let's just start talking about the content of the box. So this is the box. It's not that big. You see my hand. It is around this size. That is what you should expect. Now the package itself came like that, you know. Of course, it wasn't a cardboard box with some, you know, protection, whatever they call pillows of air, you know, plastic. No idea what they call them in American or English, but and on the back it says Wi-Fi PineApple Mark 7. So I know it's probably unreadable for you, but you know, I'm gonna show you exactly what's going on in the package here. So we're gonna open it. And as you can see, something came out. It's a small, I guess it doesn't look that interesting, but what we have here, I'll just put that away, is a small sticker. Well, it's a small piece of paper, basically saying that, yeah, it's just in the box, I'm gonna find a Wi-Fi PineApple Mark 7, USB cable, 3 antennas, and this card. So we're gonna expect a small black box, a USB-C cable, and 3 small antennas in the box. So that's good. Setup LED status indication. So it's basically just talking about what I should expect when I connect it, and also basically talking about how to access it. So this is gonna work as a standard normal Wi-Fi router with 3 antennas, and I'm basically just gonna, you know, power it up. Connect to it by going to a particular IP address I have right here, and also a specific port, and it's all basic. It's just, you know, you can probably not see it, but you can, yeah, it's gonna be too small probably for you to see. So it's just 172.16.42.1, and then port 1471. That's gonna be my local area. So of course, when I put that to the network, I need to quickly connect to it and put on a password really fast. And then from that interface, you can you know, monitor everything and all the software that's on the PineApple. I don't think you need to install anything. It doesn't really say that anywhere. The Wi-Fi panel can also be provisioned with a specially formatted USB flash drive or connected to a computer using USB cable. Yeah. Well, I'm basically just gonna use, you know, as normal Wi-Fi or whatever, you know, not gonna do anything crazy. So let's look at the box. Look at the box. So this is the box. One more time, as you can see, and I'm gonna find a USB-C cable. Not that interesting, but it is a USB-C cable. I'm gonna find some antennas. Let me just pick them up for you. As you can see, we have 3 antennas here. So that's gonna be the, whoops, it fell out. Just a normal, you know, standard antenna that you can, you know, bend to different kind of angles and, you know, put them together. So, and they look quite the same. Nothing crazy going on. It's just basically, an antenna is basically just a metallic piece, you know, in some sort of way. I'm gonna put them back in the box. I'm gonna pick up the black box from the box, which is gonna be the one right here, as you can see. Nothing, maybe, sure, yeah, that one. And I'm gonna pick it up, and let's see. And then the box is kind of empty from there on. Well, that's a small box, you can see it, and we're gonna unbox it just like that. You know, I'm gonna tear the tape off, of course. That's how we do it, right? And then we're gonna take it out. So plastic, don't care about that. And with a small thing, there we have it. It's very small, as you can see. It's my hand. It's in my hand. Nothing crazy. So I'm gonna put on the antennas on the different, you know, ports here. There are 3 of them, and then you can see that right here you have the USB and the reset button and the USB port for the different kind of things. In the button it says the MAC address, for this particular device, which is going to be unique, I guess, so I'm not going to mention that. Yeah, and in terms of power, the general idea is that you take this USB-C charger, and then any USB-C charger you have that you can connect to, it could be like your cell phone charger or anything you have. You can just basically plug it in, and it should give enough power for you. Maybe you should only pay attention to the amount of power if it's some crazy, incredibly crazy powerful adapter you have that gonna destroy the device. But other than that, I don't really think it's gonna be any trouble at all. It also talks about that on the part, I guess here. It says the Wi-Fi PineApple designed to power from the most modern systems, either via the USB-C or a USB-C to USB-A adapter. So yeah, I'm not really gonna bother too much about that. So this was the unboxing video. The next video we're gonna start connecting it and doing the initial steps, and I'm gonna do a full rundown of everything using Wi-Fi PineApple, basically taking it step by step, one step at a time. And I want to say thank you to you, Mr. Deep, for donating this device to me. I am most grateful. I'm going to thank you one more time, and please follow my videos. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, and basically everyone, always comment if you have any questions. I'm gonna get back as soon as I can. See you again online to another Wi-Fi PineApple video.